if we get to the electric distribution grid in the first region, then of course, and we eliminate the zero ones, then we reduced our focus of the analysis to the attack surface of this very specific segment of the grid. However, within the model, you can still see that what part of the business would be impacted if there are risk events at that segment of the grid. Obviously, electricity and some of the headquarter items. You can identify very specifically what are the associated risk events for that specific segment. You can see what the various impact areas, whether we talk about financial impact, reliability, or safety. What are the various threats that are very important potentially for the business. We have covered the attack surface, that we just narrowed it down to that very specific focus. And then who are the potential actors who can cause problems for that very specific segment.